Not all walks are the same, and your dog needs to have different rules based on the environments that they're in. But the cool thing is, if you introduce them correctly, your dog will understand that when the environment changes, the rules change. Meaning a well-trained dog will be able to move seamlessly between different environments without the need for us to constantly communicate that there was a change. For example, the 3 most common environments you will be walking your dog are the neighborhood, the long lead environment, and the public walk. The neighborhood walks are the traditional walk that you probably think of when somebody says they're walking their dog. The expectation here is that they are not allowed to pull on the leash, but they are allowed to move freely in front of and behind their handler, as long as they're willing to give in to leash pressure and ignore things when asked. The second are long lead environment, and this is the most valuable walk when it comes to your dog's mental health. Here, we recommend going to large, mostly open fields where you can be very aware of your surroundings and anybody who might be approaching. So you can allow your dog to move freely on a 20 to 30 foot long lead and engage with their environment naturally, without the constant worry of hitting the end of their lead. Even if you have a big yard, it is important to allow your dog the opportunity to be enriched by other environments, especially environments that are neutral territory. And for many dogs, the path to overcoming behavioral issues starts with time on the long lead. The last common walk we will cover is the public walk. This is the mode your dog should be in when you are in public spaces or urban environments. In this mode, your dog should basically become a service dog, where the expectation is that they maintain a passive heel position and they understand that it is their job to maintain it, not yours. Plus, they must completely ignore all other people or dogs that are not in their immediate pack, because these spaces are about you, their handler, and it is a privilege for your dog to be able to join you in these settings, as opposed to the likely alternative, which is keeping them at home in their kennel. But your dog will be able to succeed in these environments if you provide structure and create what we call no-fail environments when you introduce public spaces to your dog.